So friends, I'm Saudis. Welcome to my channel Tube Top. Today I'm going to discuss the growths of plants. So it is a very important chapter of class 1. So let's begin. First I have to do the soil where we plant seed. This is the soil I grow, and then we have to plant a seed to see how a plants grow. Look, I planted a seed. Yes, I have grown a seed. Look at this is the seed. If it gets the following 3 things, so it grows into an adult plant. What? Sunlight, sunlight, sunlight falls on the ground, so little sunlight comes into the ground. And the seed gets the little sunlight which come in. Next, we give water to it in our watering can. And on my watering can, this is how my watering can looks. We give water to it. The water also gets into it, and the seed gets the water. And air is everywhere. It's also in the ground. Air is also in the ground. So if it gets it following 3 things, it grows into a plant. First step, this is the first step. The second step, I know first step. Number 1. Number 2. If it gets this following 3 things, the seed now looks like this. This is just upside down, like this. And a baby plant comes from his head like this. First, its color white. Step 3. Step 3. The seed looks now this way, and the baby plant will be the root. It has one root tentacle, a single one. And then step 4, the seed comes out, the only seed. Look at the seed, comes into these 2 parts of the plant. And the plant is no baby, so it can't make food. So it gets food from the 2 parts of this seed. And the bottom of the seed is in the ground. The upper side of the seed is in the nature. Look closer. So I dust up the arrows which I have drawn to show you. Next step. Fifth step. These two parts come like this leaf, and it has single two tentacles now. And then it has, and the sixth step, it has many tentacles, and these two parts of the seed were with the plant now, and they are dried and at the leaves to cook. And after some days, the seventh step, after some days, the two parts of the seed fell down, and a plant comes out, and it's just like sobs and hobs. And then, as time passed, the tentacle will be very big and fat and strong. And tentacly, it has more tentacles than it has before. Look at now the root took a dish. And then an adult tree comes up. It's the adult tree of the nature. The birds sit. The fruit come out. A little mushrooms come around the tree, but not really. I'm just drawing a mushroom. Look at how to draw a mushroom. I've drawn this mushroom. I color it with my pen. So this is the step of how a plant grows. I tell you again. The first step, when we plant a seed, and if it gets the following three things, it grows into a plant. First, sun rays, water and air. Next step, it has a baby plant in his head. Third step, the baby plant will be the root. Fourth step, the baby plant has been the root, and the seed comes out into two parts, and the bottom part of it is in the ground, and the upper part is in the nature. Fifth step, it has two tentacles now of the root, and it has a little leaves. Sixth, it has leaves to cook, and it does not need these two parts of the seed. Seventh, it has very tentacly. The plant's root is very tentacly, and the two parts of the seed fell down and it has more leaves to cook. Next, the root is very big and strong and tentacly. So the big adult tree came out, bird shaped. Oh, I forgotten to write the 8th stage. Ha. 8th stage. The birds sit, the fruits come out, the mushrooms come around the tree. So, how was this video? If it was good, so like, share and subscribe. So today, ta-da, bye. Ta-da, bye.